Catherine McAllister. I'm a professional engineer with George Mollison Bureau in Salisbury, Maryland. I was instrumental in the design of the Fruitland wastewater treatment plant digester upgrade. We looked at several processes during the planning stage, and one of those was a membrane thickened aerobic digester process. And this was ultimately the process we decided to move forward with. Ovivo was there to help me with a lot of questions we had during design and planning, and I'm hoping, based on the information I learned, I can help you with any questions you may have.
What features and benefits stand out when addressing the needs of your projects?
There are several features that stood out with the membrane thickener aerobic digestive process. Among those are, we were able to rate this as a green technology, and it qualified as a green project. Overall, for an annual savings, we found about 15 to 20% electrical savings with this process compared to the existing system. In addition, the membrane permeate is of such high quality, we can discharge that permeate stream to the effluent filter, which is just upstream of the wastewater discharge point. This is in lieu of most of the supernatant from the digester, which has to go back to the head of the plant and then goes through the entire process stream again. We found a lot of energy savings and overall O&M savings by being able to send that stream to the end of the plant. Another feature we found that was definitely very highly rated for us was the two-stage process provides a high SRT time and also provides a high volatile suspended solids reduction. With both of these, Maryland and EPA allow us to classify the final product as Class B solids. Class B solids can be used as cover on landfills. Therefore, when the city disposes of this, the local landfills can use it as cover as opposed of just a typical waste stream. All these features definitely made this membrane thickener aerobic digestive process very favorable for the city.
How do life cycle costs compare against other alternatives you've considered?
We looked at a mechanical thickener option and also a gravity thickener option. When comparing the membrane thickener to the gravity thickener, there were concerns with the gravity thickener because we would need a substantial amount of more tankage at the plant. The existing plant has two large digesters, and we were able to reuse those under the membrane thickener. In addition, there was some concerns with the gravity thickener because it is very dependable on the settling characteristics of the sludge, which that was a little bit of concern for the Fruitland wastewater treatment plant. Then looking at a mechanical thickener, it did have a higher capital cost, and this was a result of the additional items needed, such as a larger building to house the mechanical thickener. And there were some increased manual labor costs since the mechanical thickener needs to be manned daily when it's in operation. And one of the other benefits we found is with the membrane thickener, especially compared to the existing process, we were able to reduce the overall sludge volume by 50%, which is very significant in energy savings and hauling costs for the final product.
What level of expertise and support does Ovivo contribute to your projects?
Ovivo was fundamental in the success of this project. There was a very extensive planning phase. It went over a period of 5+ years where Ovivo continuously answered all the questions we had regarding the design parameters. We had to do some detailed research on the system, and they provided a lot of data in order for us to put together a green business case, which ultimately provided a source of funding for the city to construct this system. Ovivo was definitely there when we needed them. They were very timely in their responses, and they contributed to the project's success considerably.
For more information, please contact your local Ovivo sales representative or visit us on our website.